Next thing we'll be talking about in chapter 5 will be plugs and sockets. Plugs and sockets in different countries look different, but the principles of electric wiring are similar. In this figure, you see a plug socket in the UK and in Portugal. The plug, as you can see, the difference between the shapes and as well as the sockets. Mains electricity is supplied to homes in the UK at about 230 volts. So this is the potential difference or electric voltage. This is much higher voltage than the cells and batteries used in portable electrical appliances. If you come into direct contact with mains electricity, you could receive a severe electric shock because they have a very electric voltage, which might even be fatal. The outer part of a plug, called the casing, is therefore made from plastic, which is a good insulator. An electric insulator does not allow the passage of electric voltage. Connection to the circuits are made via 3 brass pins, as you can see in the figure, because brass is an excellent conductor of electricity. So here you have the neutral wire, you have the earth wire, and the live wire. You have a cable grip that stops the cable and wires being pulled out of the plug, and you can see how each wire is connected. Here you can see wires that are connected in a wrong way. The cable grip clamped into 3 wires instead of a cable. You can see that there is loose copper wires visible and a wire cut when outer cable was removed. Wire taken straight to pin and not positioned in plastic valley. So all of these are wrong and could cause problems. Here it is, the cable that we're talking about. And last we have the fuse that is connected to the live wire.